Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up influencer partnerships using Upfluence detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up influencer partnerships using Upfluence, begin by logging into your Upfluence account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Influencers tab. Use the search bar to find influencers that align with your brand values and target audience. Utilize filters to refine your search based on location, audience demographics, and engagement metrics. Review the influencers' profiles to examine their previous collaborations and content style. Create a list of potential influencers to reach out to for partnership opportunities. Next, go to the Campaigns section from the dashboard. Click on the New Campaign button to create a campaign specifically for your influencer partnerships. Fill in the campaign details, including the campaign name, objectives, and timeline. Define your budget and compensation structure for the influencers. Once the campaign details are set, proceed to add the influencers you wish to collaborate with. In the campaign settings, outline the deliverables you expect from each influencer. Make sure to include deadlines for content creation and posting. Personalize your outreach messages for each influencer on your list. After sending the invitations, monitor your inbox for responses. As influencers begin to accept, keep track of their commitments in the campaign dashboard. Once you have finalized your influencer partnerships, move to the content review process. Communicate clearly with your influencers regarding the content guidelines and approval process. After reviewing their content, provide any necessary feedback. Once the content meets your expectations, confirm the posting schedule. After the content goes live, monitor engagement and performance through Upfluence Analytics. Evaluate the results against your campaign objectives to measure success. Gather feedback from the influencers about their experience working with your brand. Use these insights to refine your strategy for future influencer partnerships. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.